Deciding who you are is like hitting send on an email. 3 seconds to undo. Before you exist, you are this person. The damage is done. And that's supposed to stick. I think memories are part of a person. And thoughts. The only things you truly own. The rest is innate. Fear, selfishness, the need for love. Jumping away from the dark, unforgivable mistakes. Desperation. That's what I have no choice but to be. It didn't stick. Based on my memories and thoughts, I am supposed to be. I'm supposed to already be, but I couldn't for the life of me remember what I was. Me has only ever been wrong. I will grow away from what was already known about me. I don't have a choice. Being that would have killed me. I don't think it's supposed to kill you. I have to change. No guiding light, no template. I am completely, truly alone. You have to claw your way back to existence. It's a fucking war, and you're scared of what you'll become. What if it's too angry, too sad, too beautiful, too big, too much to understand? What if being able to decide means that you can never be reached? What if being yourself means you're unforgivable? That's it. That's it.